Hello Skywinders, welcome back. Today we are looking at this right here. I just got this in the mail. I got it from Walmart for free, so I didn't pay anything for it. I'm just getting it so I can review it for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. And let's look at the back right here. And it says it has an adjustable headband and boom microphone. And it has all this right here. 3.5 millimeter plug for both audio and microphone. And all of that. So let's open it up. I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, so this is what you get. You get this connection. Let's open it up because I'm not familiar with it. Oh, this is the microphone, I believe. Okay, we got the packaging off. And surprisingly, this is metal right here. This is really soft. It says left, right. All of this is soft. This is like leather. Same thing here. It says on. Right there. So I am impressed. And you can mute the microphone like that. So that's recording right there, and that's mute, and this is the volume control, and this connects to the, this is a triple connection if you can look at it. So that's gonna go like that, and you're gonna connect one to the, this is the earphone, and it's labeled there, earphone, you can't see it. And this is microphone, it's labeled there, you can't see it. This is not good. The cables are actually showing right here. I never had a earphone. I never had one of these that where the cables were showing. They're usually hiding in here, so you can't tangle this up and mess it up. But on this occasion, they made that big mistake, I would think. So I'm gonna play around with it and see what happens, and we'll see if it's any good. Okay folks, so it's now time to test the microphone. So I have the headset on top of my head and the microphone is plugged in, and I plugged in the microphone, I should say the headset, to this phone right here. This is my Nokia 4.2, and I downloaded a voice recorder. That voice recorder right there. So now let's do a test. I plugged this in right here, and let's start recording. Okay, so we are now hearing through the microphone. What you're hearing right now is through the microphone, not through the camera microphone, but through the headset microphone. So I'm assuming this is a very good high quality microphone, and we're gonna find out how that works. I mean, I'm talking through it, but I can't hear myself yet. What I can tell you is that I already been testing the audio's quality. I played some music through the same phone, and I was very happy, super happy to be exact, with the quality of this headset. You feel like you're in a concert the quality is so great with this headset, the audio quality. And I'm assuming that the microphone is good as well, because you can see that every time I talk, it reacts right away. So this is the test for that. So let me stop. Okay. So that is that. So overall, this Onn headphone and microphone for gaming, I think it's a great device. Do I recommend it? Absolutely yes. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But this serves as both a microphone and a headphone jack in this single connection. You can see it has three things, but you can further connect it with that other connection that we saw already that I didn't really like, so I'd rather use this, because that double connection, let me go get it. This double connection is just not cool. But I mean, if you have to use it, you have to use it. So that's it for the moment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and see you on my next video.